Sometimes my patients have come back to my office as much as 3 or 4 years after the first time I saw them. They tell me that they forgot to send in their paperwork and they want to have it updated. If your paperwork is more than a year old, then you'll need to have some testing done again. The most important testing will be the tuberculosis testing. If you had a chest x-ray, you'll have to have the chest x-ray repeated, and any syphilis blood testing will also need to be updated. Vaccinations stay good, so it's unlikely that you'll need additional vaccinations. All you need to do is ask your civil surgeon to update your paperwork. Some civil surgeons will have a charge to update your paperwork, while others will do that for free. This is probably a good thing to ask your civil surgeons before you set up your initial visit. In most cases, your paperwork can be updated rather easily. The civil surgeon may require a new exam and may require some new testing. Like I mentioned, the syphilis blood test and the tuberculosis test are the most likely things that need to be repeated. However, in most cases, it's not as complicated as the first visit that you had. If you go back to the same civil surgeon, you may be able to do this for a low fee or maybe no fee at all, depending on the length of time. The most important thing, if you notice that your paperwork's been delayed longer than you thought, is to go back to the original civil surgeon and talk to them about what's going to be required to update your paperwork. The rules and regulations at Homeland Security change, sometimes as much as several times within 1 year. So it's important that you talk to the civil surgeon and make sure that you get the paperwork updated properly. Some civil surgeons will have a fee for doing this, but certainly you have the possibility that by going to the same civil surgeon you went to earlier, that you can avoid paying the full fee for a full exam and that you may be able to get a discount in updating the paperwork. These are the kind of things that need to be discussed with the civil surgeon that does your exam, and it might be something to talk to them before you have your first exam to make sure you know what the expectations are for submitting your paperwork.